how to make your life just a little bit easier using an all-in-one dishwasher tablet by Elcove. And this one is seemingly wrapped in a piece of plastic. Does that mean you have to unwrap it? Well, actually, no, you don't actually unwrap it. Now, there's a particular reason why they wrap them up is because, you know, during travel, they might break up and you'll lose some of that powder in a particular tablet. So they want to keep everything together. But one thing I did not like is that a lot of these type of things have a wrapper that leave a really sticky film, because if you don't use hot water and if you don't use like a heating setting, if you don't do a lot of things, the wrapper never fully dissolves, and it kind of leaves a film all over your dishwasher and leaves a sticky film. And then when you do your maintenance of cleaning it all up, you'll notice this weird film, and you got to scrub it off. It's almost like stickiness, like leftover gum or something that gets stuck in there, and it's a little annoying to clean up. But this particular wrapper, when I was reading about it, does dissolve easier, and I've tried it, and it looks like this should. I'll find out in about a month or so of using it every day if the tablet fully dissolves and doesn't leave any weird film when I check the filter and when I try cleaning it out for the monthly maintenance. I'll know for sure. But part of me still wishes not that it didn't have the wrapper. I wish it was just wrapper free. I'm willing to accept some loss if the tablet breaks up a little bit. But this wrapper is not similar to the ones that you may have seen with other tablets. And I can so far confirm that it does wash better when I have it installed so far. But again, like I said, in about 1 more month, we'll do a check on how it looks. So it's very easy to use. Just drop the tablet into the little compartment there, and as you can see, it has a pre-wash that I used to previously put some pre-wash in there, but now with this all-in-one tablet, it does everything, because everyone's dishwasher is a little bit different. So this keeps the process very simple. And here we are looking at a finished load of dishes, and as you can see that, well, at least I should say I just used a normal mode. I didn't use high temperature water, and I didn't use a heated dry. So there was no, so the water pretty much stayed cold the whole time, and it didn't dry the dishes. So that you can see why there's a bunch of droplets, because there was no heated dry. There was no process. You just watched it, and now it was done after the normal cycle. So this is what we're looking at. I'm just looking for any kind of sticky residue, and don't mind the heavy usage of the glass. There's a lot of scratches and dings from using it for all kinds of things. Now checking the odd shaped cups, see if it got deep in there. Checking the tall cups, because usually the residue would stay on the bottom of the cups, but I'm not seeing any residue. Everything is looking clean as it should, other than just the water droplets. We're just gonna let it air dry. And then one of the culprits, every time I would check a spoon, it had a weird kind of film on it, like white little powdery kind of look to it sometimes. Not all of them, but some of them would have it. So I'm individually checking to see if there's any residue. And don't mind the really overused butter knives here. They got a bunch of scratches and dings from heavy use. But yeah, everything is looking fine. No issue. But I should also mention that no matter how good a tablet is, if you're not maintaining your dishwasher, the tablets are not going to work. They're not going to be able to fully dissolve, do the job to their best ability, because your washer is not going to be able to wash properly. So make sure you're keeping it maintained, keeping everything clean and clear, and then that's it.